Hello, good morning. Is this Green Valley Medical Clinic?
Good morning. Yes, you've reached Green Valley Medical Clinic. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor, please. I've been feeling a little sick since yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you'll feel better soon. Let me ask you a few questions so I can find the right appointment for you.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
May I have your full name, please?
Of course. My name is Emma Johnson. That's Emma Johnson.
Thank you, Emma. Have you visited our clinic before?
No, this will be my first visit.
All right. Can I also have your phone number in case we need to contact you?
Sure. It's 555-248-9317.
Perfect. Now, could you tell me what's been bothering you?
I've had a sore throat, a headache, and I've been feeling really tired. I thought it would get better, but it hasn't.
I understand. Have you had a fever or a cough?
I've had a slight fever, but no cough.
Thank you for letting me know. Let me check the doctor's schedule. We have an appointment available today at 3:30 p.m. Does that time work for you?
Yes, that works perfectly. Thank you.
Great. You're all set. Please arrive about 15 minutes early so we can complete your registration.
No problem. I'll be there a little early.
Wonderful. We look forward to seeing you this afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Before we finish the call, Emma, I'd like to ask you a couple more questions if that's okay.
Of course. Go ahead.
Have you taken any medication for your symptoms today?
Yes, I took some pain medication this morning. It helped a little, but my throat still hurts.
I see. Please remember to tell the doctor exactly what you've taken when you arrive.
I will. Thanks for reminding me.
Also, if your fever gets much higher before your appointment, or if you have trouble breathing, please go to the nearest emergency room immediately.
Understood. Hopefully, it won't get that bad.
I hope so too. Do you have any allergies to medication that we should note in your file?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Thank you. I've added that information to your medical record.
Perfect.
Yes, please bring a photo ID, your insurance card if you have one, and a list of any medications you're currently taking.
All right, I'll make sure I have everything.
Excellent. If you're running late, just give us a quick call so we can update the schedule.
Absolutely. I'll be there on time.
Great. We look forward to seeing you at 3:30 this afternoon. I hope you feel better very soon.
Thank you so much for your help, Sarah.
You're very welcome, Emma. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Thanks. Goodbye.